Jester's at work today. He's working very hard for about 30 minutes now on this bone. It's his little crate here. Yeah. Good boy. Very good. What a cutie. Okay, so 15 minutes has passed. He's still going at it. Jester, how much do you like your bone? Do you like your bone a lot? Yeah, it's such a good bone. Oh my goodness. What a good boy. What a good boy. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Okay. Come on. Let's go. Very good. Come on. Let's go. Let's go, boy. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on, boy. Good boy. Let's go. You got it. So clumsy. A little clumsy. Who's my little clumsy?